What's up, everybody? Another TOZO product. Every time I see a TOZO product, I say, hey, let me test this one out and compare it to another TOZO product that I've been reviewing. I feel like a TOZO and brand ambassador at this point. Some of their products are good. Some of them are not so good. But today we're going to go ahead and test out the TOZO T9. The TOZO T9 are basically just true wireless earbuds. They have a little bit of a different design than we traditionally see with the TOZOs. They're more on the AirPods second generation style, etc. So we're going to compare them. However, I wanted to do this unboxing and review of them and let you know if they're worth your money. You could get the TOZO T9s for under $25 on Amazon. Of course, they're on sale, typically going for around $50 or so, but the link is below. Definitely a good product. They do have noise cancellation. There's a 4 mic call in these. We're going to go over some of the highlights in a bit, but first we're going to unbox them. I'm going to pair them, review them, let you know how well they sound. Before I do that, I always ask that you guys subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, show the biggest appreciation. Comment below if you have any experience with TOZO T9s or any other products out there that are TOZO related, etc. Also, check out techvisibility.com. It's our website. It's got the latest product news and reviews on tech. It's more of a boutique site, so you may enjoy it. Let's get into this unboxing. All right, TOZO T9, similar packaging on all TOZO products, color indicator, true wireless. Not much information on these. So they do say that there's a minimum noise cancellation of 30 decibels. It's really neat. 6 silicone tips, IPX7 waterproof. That's pretty good. There's a big diameter speaker for this size. Again, the Amazon stickers and barcodes. T9 True Wireless. Let's see. So TOZO packaging is easy to unbox. Again, they pretty much took the style of Apple, and I say good for them because that's a great packaging job. This is how the box looks. Slides out under as pretty much all the TOZO products. Designed by TOZO. Usually says designed by Apple. That's where the comparison happens. And very simple instructions. Okay, so there's looks like there's two quick guides. So there's a user manual and a quick guide. I do review these. Somebody actually asked and said, hey, thanks for doing that because I lost my manual and went online and saw your video. So on the left earbud, really similar to every TOZO product, a one-time press is a pause and play. Double is a previous song. Hold for minus volume 3 times for voice assistant. Accept a call with a one-time press or tap. Hold for an end call and hold for a reject call. On the right, it's the opposite. So you got pause and play with a one-time press. Next song is 2 times. Hold for volume up. One-time press to answer. Hold for an hang up, and then hold for a reject call. 3-time presses will basically give you the voice assistant. So voice assistant could be from both. So they are touch, not presses, excuse me. So touch panels, and then you choose your ear tip, and you want to make sure it's snug. That provides some noise canceling. All right, so that's it. The user manual actually is very similar. It's the same thing. So I don't know what the difference between the quick start guide was and the user manual because they are alike. Okay, so interesting. All right, that's the box. That's the packaging. What do we have here? Nice piano gloss finish with some matte. These look excellent in my opinion. They do look very professional. Here's the case, and then you get your tips here. So again, TOZO always provides 5 extra tips included in the ones on the earbuds themselves. So the ear tips are great. Let's go further into the packaging. You got a light indicator here, a very good hinged case. This is kind of thin, guys. I love the piano gloss finish and I love the matte. The combination of the two is great. USB-C adapter. Now we didn't check, but you do get a USB-C cable. I apologize for that. I forgot about that. So you do get that here, and it's pretty standard. So that's all that comes underneath those ear tips in your packaging. So don't miss that, okay? Let's put that back in, and let's take a look at these earbuds. So they snap in very well. Great magnet on these. They popped in so easy. I actually like these a lot. I mean, for the price, geez. There's a charging indicator on the case. The case has 3 levels of charging. We're going to go into how much charging life you have. But what's neat about this case is it's very thin, and in comparison to the AirPods case, I mean, you got a pretty decent size case for a lot less money. This feels like I could rock it in my pocket and not have an issue with it whatsoever. So it's not that much bulk here. I love the piano again, and I love the piano gloss finish here. The magnets, very strong. I mean, you're talking, they pop right in. Look at that. You see that? So that's great, okay? That we don't see that often. Now, compared to the AirPods, they're about the same length. So almost identical, just gives you the tips. So that's the comparison here. And I think excellent design job by TOZO. All right, we're gonna go ahead and pair these up, okay? So the TOZO T9s, I'm gonna get my iPhone here and go into the Bluetooth settings, and we should see TOZO T9s. Now, as soon as you take these out, it should pair. If you need to repair them, you're gonna go have to reset the case, and they are right here. So TOZO T9s, boom, they pair that easily, and there is a left and right indicator on these. So left is this one, right is this one. So L and R, and a little bit dirty. I don't know, I haven't used these myself yet, but overall, let's see how they fit. Okay guys, so they actually fit really good, nice and snug with the ear tip. Now, if you need a particular ear tip that you're not fitting, let's say your left ear fits well and your right ear does not, you can change and customize the ear tips to your ears. Now, my ears are a little bit deformed because I do jiu-jitsu and I've been trying to prevent it, but you're gonna get the perfect fit with the right ear tip. And that's why I love TOZO, because they provide you the best variety of ear tips. A lot of companies just give you 2 or 3 extra. They give you 5 extras for that perfect fit. So let's play some rap music here. I wanna hear the bass on these guys. And I hope they look great because the piano and matte black finish for me is really nice. So now I'm listening to the song. The noise quality of these is okay. I'm not really impressed, to be honest with you, and I've reviewed so many earbuds already. They're not the best TOZOs out there. I'd say the NC series for me takes it. That's the noise canceling series, but the T6s were really good as well. Overall, the T9s, the sound quality is just not as good. Maybe it was the song. I'm gonna play another song that I normally play when reviewing this just to give me that exact comparison. So the mids are okay, the bass is decent, but the mids and the highs are not that good on these. So that's my honest opinion on these. I'm gonna play one more song, not a rap song. I think you could get better.
1, 2, 3. I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be so.
Okay, so I'm playing more of an acoustic song. Again, the acoustics are just not as good. So I'm gonna pass on the TOZO T9s. I love the design, but the sound quality is just not there, okay? Now, they don't have auto shut off or anything like that. So you definitely have to tap to stop to play them. The sound quality just wasn't that good on these. If you have some options with other TOZOs, check out some of my reviews. I've done so many TOZO earbuds reviews on this channel that you got pretty much a choice to be able to grab any TOZO out there and really see what the quality is. The TOZO T9s are just not that good in sound quality. The design is great. The piano black finish is great. They're overall not bad. IPX7 waterproof, but I've felt and experienced better sound quality from a TOZO product. With saying that, we still should go over what the specs on these are, even though the sound quality of the highs is not that good and the mids is so-so. So TOZO says that the 4 microphones deliver a better experience with calls. So I actually placed a call with the TOZO T9s, and I did feel that the call volume and the call quality was great. So if you're gonna use these just for calling, these are actually not bad. Overall, they compared to my AirPods, which I love making a phone call with the AirPods. Now, they didn't have transparency mode, and with the rubber tips, there was still a slight noise canceling. Bluetooth 5.0 technology is not the latest, but I didn't feel any lag in transmission of sound quality. IPX7 waterproofing is better than a lot of earbuds out there. However, I probably wouldn't want to work out with these. Although they fit great, I feel like they could potentially fall out of the ear, especially if you're doing like a CrossFit type exercise. Again, these are not bad. There are better earbuds to work out in, and you could check out some reviews on my channel for some of those earbuds. The tiny size they advertise, I agree. I love the case. I wish a lot of the TOZO products were similar to this case, or a lot of other third-party earbuds had similar case that would fit well in your pocket. So at 60% volume, which is a weird way to advertise these, they last up to 8 hours. So if you do the math, you're probably getting 6 hours at 80% volume and maybe 5 hours at 100% or so volume. So it's a little bit of a weird to advertise these on Amazon. However, that's not a bad battery life for a product that you could get up to $25 if it's discounted. Quick charging enables another 1.5 hours of listening, and that charges 10 minutes, which is not bad. You could also listen to one or the other, which is great as well. So you're doubling your life if you're doing, say, audiobooks. Overall, not a bad product. The TOZO T9's not the best TOZO product. In my opinion, there are several others TOZO products out there that you could get for the same price that are going to blow you away for the quality and the price. These were so-so, but the look and finish was great. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this review. Please subscribe to the channel. Show us some appreciation by liking this video. Check out techvisibility.com for more product news and reviews. I'll catch you guys here in the next video.